Let's make banana bread with a twist using fruit cocktail perfect for summer or for any occasions. Keep in mind that a slice of banana fruit cake and a cup of tea is an excuse to share great things with great people. Let's start baking. In this recipe, we will need 1.5 cups ripe mashed bananas, add 3/4 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup oil, 2 eggs, mix very well until all ingredients are combined and sugar is dissolved. We will now add 2 cups sifted all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 100 grams of plain yogurt. If the consistency is too thick, you can add 100 grams of plain yogurt. Mix very well until everything is incorporated. Grease 2 loaf pans and then divide the butter, pouring half into each prepared pan. Top with fruit cocktail that I drained and chop to smaller bits like this and bake to preheated oven for 60 minutes or when a toothpick is inserted comes out clean. After 60 minutes, guys, it's perfectly baked and make sure to cool down first before cutting or slicing. You can enjoy this with your favorite drink like coffee or tea. Kainan na!